friends, welcome to week 3 of our We're Gonna Make It challenge. My name is Lauren, I'm a librarian at the Cranford Public Library. Each week I'll give you a new idea of something to build or make. And this week's theme is puppets! I love this theme so much because I love stories, and puppets are a great tool for telling stories. Plus, there are so many different kinds of puppets that you can create. You can make pipe cleaner puppets, stick puppets, puppets with finger legs, or anything else that you'd like. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make a paper puppet. Let's get started. So we need paper, glue, colored pencils, and I have a cardboard box here because I don't have any construction paper, but if you do, you can use that. I'm going to make some ears and a little tuft of fur using a Q-tip. So let's start by folding our paper in 2/3, first third and the second. And we're going to glue this down. We only need a little bit of glue at either end, but you can do a little bit of the middle too if you'd like. Great, let's fold this piece back down. And let's take a look at our original puppet. We want to create this nice M shape. We do that by folding our piece of paper in half, and then folding it in half again. And then let's flip it over and do that on the other side. And there it is, a beautiful M. Let's test it out. And there we go. This is a great base for a puppet. You can go anywhere you'd like from here. I'm going to show you how to make a dog. Let's create some ears here, one little ear and another. And let's cut them out. Remember, this is our cardboard because I don't have construction paper, but construction paper is a great tool for this job if you have access to it. If you don't have construction paper, don't worry, there's always some workaround, and it's kind of fun to think creatively and make the materials you have work. All right, let's glue these ears onto my dog. I'm gonna put them right up at the top. A little bit of glue, and stick the first one, and the same thing on the other side. And there we go, it's already coming together. Now I can add a nose and some whiskers and some cute little eyes. The eyes can be looking in any direction. This is a really fun way to add personality to your puppet. And now it's time to add that little tuft. I'm going to take a bit of the Q-tip, peel it off, try to pry it apart a little bit, add some glue, and let's peel this part even more. Really want it to look like the patchy little fur Bailey has on her head. Pretty good. Let's see what other details we can add. Let's start with a mouth. I'm going to give Bailey a red tongue, and then I'm going to color in her face and the rest of her a little bit more. Now this part is probably going to take a little while, so I'll meet you back here when all of my coloring is done. Once you're done coloring, you can go back and add some details. So I'm going to add some eyebrows, and Bailey has like little black rings around her eyes. It looks almost like she's wearing makeup. It's really silly, so I want to make sure that my puppet has that. There we go. And she's also got some gray whiskers around her nose and mouth, so I'll add a little bit of those too. My puppet's really starting to look like a Bailey puppet. I've got to give my dog some teeth. So I'll add little zigzags, perfect, and then I'm going to color the rest of the mouth in. Now that that's done, I just need to add a little bit of brown colored pencil at the bottom. There we go. And we're all done. Let's try it out. I hope you enjoyed learning how to create a paper puppet. Remember, you can build using whatever materials you have at home. When you're done, have a grown-up take a picture of your completed project and mail it to library@cranfordnj.org or post it right in the comments below. You have all weekend to build, but be sure to get us those photos by Sunday night because on Monday we're going to create an incredible gallery of everybody's amazing work. I can't wait to see what you create. Bye-bye.